What if I wake up happy? And what if I wake up sad? Sorry if I said.
Hey guys, it's your girl Joy and welcome to my channel. And in today's video guys, we're going to be doing a very versatile and natural looking crochet braid. Yes guys, I said natural and I said versatile. When I mean versatile, you can have it like a center part, you can have it in a side part, you can have it in like an afro. You can also have it packed up guys, and this took me only 1 hour to do guys, just 1 hour. This hairstyle is so affordable. It is also beginner friendly guys, very beginner friendly, like no cornrows. How sweet is that? So the first thing is to do our center parts and also reserve some leave outs as you would see in the video, and this is just to make the center part look very natural. And guys, we're also going to be sectioning some hair around the perimeter of our head. This is just to give that natural look in case you want to have a side part or in case you just want to pack it all up. This is what is going to make the hairstyle look really natural, okay? And guys, this video is obviously sped up, so please be gentle with your hair. Take your time, you don't have to rush, and also moisturize your hair before doing this hairstyle, okay?
Sorry if I said something that made you mad. Wishing that I could call you. Sorry, my service bad. My bad. When I wake up, you're not next to me. Guess I'm missing all your energy. That's all I want. That's all I want. Promise I am not your enemy. I just need another memory. That's all.
So guys, this is what mine is looking like right now. It's fine if your parts are not so neat, it's fine, don't worry yourself about that. Just something close to this is fine. So I'm going to be twisting that away so we can work with the hair on top.
I want, 'cause all I want is you, is you.
So guys, as I said earlier, we won't be doing any braids, we won't be doing any cornrows because that takes time. And I also wanted this video to be very easy and beginner friendly, so instead of cornrows, we're just going to be doing medium twists, like nothing too big and also nothing too small, just some medium twists.
'Cause all I want is you, is you. Flower in the shade, ever feel a little jealousy? Does it ever go away? All I want is.
So guys, I got this weaving cap or weaving net. This is what is going to give your twist that added security. It is going to keep them in place and also going to make it like a very good base to weave your crochet on. And guys, you can get it at your beauty supply store. So the hair we're going to be using is this xpression kinky hair. Like, this hair looks so much like fussy hair. Like, the way the hair blends with our 4-type hair is so unbelievable. So I'm just going to be taking a small section of the hair. Grab your crochet needle and we would be inserting the needle into the net and just crocheting the hair through it. And when you crochet the hair through it guys, you would want to knot it just once because this hair is already textured. So guys, when sectioning your kinky hair, you would want to snap it really quickly because it tends to tangle when it's done slowly. And I just repeated the whole crochet process round the wig cap, and this process is actually really explanatory, so I'll just let you guys watch the whole process and I'll get back to you soon.
What if I wake up happy? And what if I wake up sad? Sorry if I said something that made you mad. Wishing that I could call you. Sorry, my service bad. My bad. When I wake up, you're not next to me. Guess I'm missing all your energy. That's all I want. That's all I want. Promise I am not your enemy. I just need another memory. That's all I want. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. All I want is tell me, does a flower in the shade ever feel a little jealousy? Does it ever go away? All I want is you to answer me right now. Just dance with me right now. Just dance with me right now. When I wake up, you're not next to me. Guess I'm missing out.
So guys, when we reach the front parts of our hair really close to the center parts, we would have to cut the excess lace off. You would want to be really careful with this so you don't cut too close to your crochet, okay, and so it doesn't unravel. So guys, please be careful with this part. Just cut out the visible nets so we can make our center part look natural without the nets being obvious, okay?
Energy, that's all I want. That's all I want. Promise I am not your enemy. I just need another memory. That's all I want. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. All I want is you. Is you. It takes two. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you.
So guys, that is it for most of the install. I love how natural this hair is. I love how it blends so much with my natural hair. Like, this hair is giving me long version of my natural hair. So guys, this is me just trimming off the dead ends, like the ones that are not falling into place. I'm just trimming this off to give this hair like a bit of shape and to make it look seamless and natural.
What if I wake up happy? And what if I wake up?
And this is me the next day. This was how I wrapped my hair up to bed. And we're just going to be unraveling those hairs we set aside so we can make this hair look natural, and we're just going to be styling this hair. And honestly, I really can't wait for you guys to see the final look. Like, this is my favorite hairstyle. Honestly, I've been saying that for all the hair I've been making, but honestly, this is my favorite. Like, the amount of attention I got wearing this hair, like, people would come to me and be like, please, is this your hair? Sister, is this your hair? I'm like, how can you come so close and you still can't tell if it's my hair or not? Like, guys, this hair, this kinky hair blends so well with our natural hair, and it's just so amazing. I love it. And guys, on the long run, whenever you want to like maintain your hair or style your hair, you can always spray some water on the kinky hair and it softens it and makes it really easy to manipulate, okay? So this is me adding some gel to my leave out so it blends very well to the kinky hair, and I'm just going to be brushing that with my wooden brush so it looks smooth and blends well.
Sorry if I said something that made you mad.
I'm also going to be doing my edges. You don't want to leave your edges, guys. Gel your edges so it looks nice. And this is the left This is the right, this is the back. Guys, look at the density of this hair. You can't tell me it's not my hair. I'm sorry, like, you can't tell me.
Wishing that I could call you. Sorry, my service bad. My bad. When I wake up, you're not next to me. Guess I'm missing all your energy. That's all I want. That's all I want. Promise I am not your enemy. I just need another memory. That's all I want. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two.
This is me just trying out some styles. You can really go gaga and adventurous with this hair. You can style it however you want to, because guess what, it blends so well with your natural hair, right? So guys, please let me know in the comment section if you loved this video. Let me know if you would be trying this hairstyle. And guys, if you found this video helpful, please share this video to people who might want to try this hairstyle. And don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and I can't wait to come back with another tutorial. Until then, bye guys.
I want is tell me, does a flower in the shade ever feel a little jealousy? Does it ever go away? All I want is you to answer me right now. Just